Hi, Ken1171 Designs here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the scatter tool to place things exactly where you want them to be instead of all over the place. So to do that, in this scene, I have the ground plane here. And imagine this cube is like a house. So it's taking this place here on the ground, and I don't want anything to be scattered there. So I have a billboard flower and some grass patch. Let's get started. So how do I choose where my things are gonna grow? So first of all, we select the ground plane and then open the grouping tool over here on the upper left corner. It's this little icon that looks like a square with a dot in the center. And the moment we do that, this dialog shows up, the group editor, and the cursor turns into this cross. And you can do anything you want, nothing happens. So we have first to create a group. So you click here, New Group, give it any name you like. And now, if I switch to the top view, I can make selections of areas like this. And if I don't like this, I can hold Control and my selection goes away. So if I just click and drag, it makes a selection, it turns red, and if I hold Control and do the same, it removes whatever I have there. I can also use this Draw pen, which allows you to make more precise selections if you need to. But I'm going to use the marquee. So where do I want my flowers to go? Let's say I want them to go here. Alright, what do I do now? You go here to this Create Prop button. Once you click it, I'm going to define this as Area 1. Once that's done, I go back to the ground plane. I click Remove All. You can't see, but that area was still selected under this new prop we have created. Okay, now I'm ready to create another area where I want the grass to grow. So let's say I want it to grow here, and also let's say here, like it goes around the house. I do the same thing again, create prop. Gonna call this area 2. And now I can delete the group, I don't need it anymore, and close the grouping editor. I have 2 new areas created, this one and this one. If I hide the ground, you can see them better. Here they are, area 1 and area 2. Now let's start scattering. So first of all, I open the scatter tool, and let's select area 1, which is this one here, and billboard flower, let's put 30 of them. Rotations no, billboard yes, and flipping. I want some bigger and smaller, and boom, created my flowers. You see, they only grow there now. Next thing, I'm gonna select area 2. I'm gonna grow some grass there. I'm gonna put 100 grass patches, rotations yes, scaling variations yes, billboard no, because grass is not a billboard. And go. Once the grass is in place, you'll notice that it only grows in the area I have defined. And you may be asking, hey, can I put some flowers here too? Yes, you can. So with still area 2 selected, select billboard flower, no rotations, billboard yes. 7 is a little too much, let's put like 30 flowers there, and go. Again, it only grows in this area, not in others. If I click remove, it only removes from this area. So let's put them again. And I'm done with the scattering. if I render this now, you'll see that I have placed my scattered objects exactly what I wanted. And after this is done, you can hide the area 1 and 2 and even the original scatter objects that I have over there if you don't want them to show in the render. And if I render again, I get a cleaner result. And that's what I wanted to show you. Thank you.